Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Discord account. So Discord is a really wonderful platform for you to create your own server, invite your friends, or hold open discussions amongst anybody that you can get connected on Discord with. So if you'd like to learn how you can log into your account, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how you can do that. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Discord app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will see an option that says register or login. Tap on the login button in order to log into your Discord account. After you tap on the login option, you'll have to here give in your account information. So here on the account information section, either enter your email address or phone number that you had earlier used in order to sign up for your account. So here, since I signed up with my email address, I'm just going to type in my email address over here. And then after finishing typing up your email address, also type in the password that you had earlier set for your account. Make sure that you type in the correct credentials so that there's no problem while trying to log into your account. And then tap on the login button. After tapping on the login button, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this. When you go on the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see that you have now gone logged into your account. So this is basically how you log into your Discord account. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that I have been able to help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.